Welcome to Seb and Nature, my YouTube channel.
Today, another science experiment. 3-ingredient bath bombs. All you need is bicarbonate soda, citric acid and bath oil. Make bath oil by mixing kitchen oil with a few drops of any essential oil. Then measure 74 grams of citric acid and 100 grams of bicarbonate soda. By the way, this is your alkali. You need to mix this properly. Take your time here and use a sieve to make sure there are no clumps left. Then, you need to add your oil. Again, you need to do this slowly, spoon by spoon. This will take you a while. Once you're mixed it together as a lump, you can add it to the mould. Make sure you use pressure, then firmly stick both halves together. I think getting some moulds that actually look together would be easier, but hey, you can use tape too. Add some of the mix left over and try another shape too. Wait for 24 hours, then carefully open the moulds. Mine came apart very easily. I think it's better to stick with ball shapes rather than fancy shapes that disintegrate too easily. Now for the moment of truth. Does this actually work? Now for some science. The fizzing's because the bicarbonate soda and the citric acid are reacting together in water, releasing carbon dioxide. Be careful when doing this at home. Ask an adult to help and make sure you have good ventilation and protect your hands and eyes. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.